venue was the Arts Council's auditorium, where Fardayeh Jam Folkloric Music Ensemble from Khorasan enthralled the aficionados. It was their 5th concert in Pakistan. First Rubaee that they presented was penned by Allama Iqbal, whose poetry is enormously esteemed in Iran. Second was a local song sung while harvesting wheat. Naam-e-Muhammad was the next piece crooned by the ensemble. Then came 3 popular Khurasani regional melodies. Rumi's Rubaee took the audience to a mystical locale. Two members of the ensemble, Mansoor and Saeed, danced to the last piece of music, thumping the floor with feet expressing their desire to soar to the heavens. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Seyyedah Fatemeh Zulghadr, representative of Tehran in Iran Assembly, who is also member of Cultural Commission's Board of Directors, held.
Assalamu alaikum. We have tonight we have a good program, Iranian traditional music, and I hope we have more like this program. We have a good relationship with Pakistan. Pakistan is my neighbor land, and we have good relationship, and I hope we have more program with culture program, music program, art program with Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Commenting on the performance, Consul General of the Islamic Republic of Iran maintained,
I am honored to attend to this good and great event here, cultural event in the Art Council of the Karachi. Within the last 2 months, it's the second time that the Iranian artists are performed here. One is music and another was about the art of the woods, different, but both in the Art Council. And inshallah, we are going to start to more cooperation between the two countries to exchange the cultural groups between the two countries to show their own civilization and the culture of inshallah.